Hello everyone. So till now we have discussed about HTML and CSS. We have learned HTML basic tags, CSS types, different types of CSS, and make simple web pages using the HTML. Now the question is, why should we create our website with WordPress over HTML? So today we are going to start WordPress. Before starting the WordPress, I'm going to explain you that why we should learn WordPress or why we should use WordPress to make our website. So let's see. So first of all, we will discuss WordPress versus HTML. So first of all, there are many differences between the WordPress and HTML. We will discuss some of them. So in WordPress, what happened? No coding skill is required. As you all see in the previous lectures of HTML, that we have to use tags, different types of tags. Like for image, I have to use img tag. Then for heading tags, we have h1 up to h6. So WordPress, in case of WordPress, we don't need any coding skill. With the help of just drag and drop options, we can make our website better. Second, in WordPress, it is easy to use, and as I told, like it is a drag drop based features. So where in case of HTML, we have to write the codes, or error can be comes in our code if I write something wrong. So there is a problem in HTML, whereas it is not in the case of WordPress. Next, we have thousands of already created templates. See, templates are what, like templates are you can say like already designed. It will provide a layout of the website which are already here in the WordPress. But in HTML, you have to do everything from the scratch. Next, we have plugins options in the WordPress, whereas for any type of like extra features in HTML, you have to use CSS. So for making your website more attractive, more like powerful, you can say, or more attractive features or more user friendly, you have to use CSS in your HTML file. Next, in WordPress, as you can say, everything is easy in WordPress. So you can say it has a very poor learning curve. That means if one wants to learn to code. Whereas in HTML, a true coder always wants to create his own stuff. So it also gives a chance to stand different from the crowd. You can design whatever you like. So you can design according to your choice. Whereas in WordPress, some particular like you can say themes are fixed. In WordPress, time to time maintenance might be needed, whereas in HTML it requires very little maintenance, because till now I think you already understand that with the help of HTML we can only make static websites. Next, we have, in case of WordPress, cost of hosting the website is high, whereas in case of HTML it is relatively very small, or you can say it is very cheaper to maintain the website. WordPress SEO and security features are better than HTML, whereas in HTML everything needs to add to the source code. Whatever you want to do, like if you want security features, then you have to add code for that in the HTML. WordPress, it is fast, whereas HTML it is relatively slow as compared to WordPress, you can say. So these are the basic features, or you can say basic differences between the WordPress and HTML. And you can say by looking all these facts or all the differences, one can understand that WordPress is certainly a good choice to go for. And probably that is the reason so many websites are using it. But that's not the truth. Like, these are the features of WordPress, but it is up to the user. That the main question is that one should ask like oneself before making any website, or before making any choice of like WordPress and HTML, that what are the requirements of user. Okay, so now let's see what is WordPress actually. WordPress is an online open source website creation tool written in PHP. So with the WordPress, you can create beautiful websites in a very small amount of time. It is, you can say, the easiest and most powerful blogging website, CMS. So here is a word, that is CMS, which stands for Content Management System. So let's discuss something about it. CMS. What is CMS? So CMS is a software which stores all the data like text, photo, music, documents, and is available on the website. CMS also helps in editing, publishing, and modifying the content of your website. Now WordPress is what you see is what you get. So here you can see a small interface of WordPress. We will see after in coming sessions also. So this is the image of WordPress post editor, where you want to do a post, or you want to make a post. For that, this interface comes. So here you can see, by just clicking on these posts or media links, you can add anything in your website. And here is also, we have many tools, like if you want to make your text bold or like alignment, so everything is there.